You know what my favorite roller coaster is? None of them. I do like CleanSpark though, so let's talk about that. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Stock Advantage. My name is Darren, and today we're going to touch on CleanSpark CLSK. Going to talk a little bit about what's been going on with it lately in regards to price action, what's caused the price dips, and then the sudden raise yesterday. And then we're going to move forward with what I see going forward. So if you like this video, make sure you do drop that like down below, comment what your thoughts are on CleanSpark. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, guys, so CleanSpark hit the radar again yesterday after it had a 25% day. At highs, it was up over 30% at $41 a share. Cooled back off, and then in the aftermarket, it's currently sitting at a little over 37. So a really great day for CleanSpark Energy, which is a stock that's been extremely volatile over the last 3 months. Back in 3 months ago, it was a $10 stock. They got a lot of momentum, and in early January, they hit highs of $42 a share almost. And then some bad news came out, dropped back down to mid-20s, and it's been bouncing around between the mid-20s and mid-30s ever since. Finally broke out of that yesterday. So let's touch on a few things. First off, the big drop that they had back in January from 42 down to the mid-20s was related to a hit piece that came out titled, I think it was CleanSpark Back to the Trash Can or something. It was basically related to people calling out CleanSpark saying that their investor relations were fraud, that they overstated contracts that they had gotten, and that their technology couldn't really do what they said it was. So once that hit piece came out by a short seller, of course, the stock took a major tank, and it kind of bounced around again between 25 and 35 for a few weeks. And then the latest hit that took it back down from the mid-30s to the mid-20s was the earnings report. So they did take a beating after missing their earnings expectations, and so that kind of hurt them a little bit. But on the positive note related to that, they did project a strong fiscal year 21 for growth, and their sales do continue to rise. A big thing that I think kind of sparked some of this run yesterday was that an analyst called H.C. Wainwright and Company upgraded their price target from $24 to $50 a share on this stock. So an analyst isn't going to do that if they believe the short seller reports. They're going to do that if they believe this company is going to be profitable, and they did. They think this company is going to be at an EPS of 13 cents per share by the end of this year. And so they're seeing the company turn into profit, and they see the potential moving forward in the green energy sector, and they doubled their price target. So that doesn't come lightly. That right there is a very good sign for me, especially since we're still 25, 30% at least below that level currently. So plenty of upside opportunity there. Very excited about that. I think another cause for yesterday's big run-up was everything else in the market is bleeding fairly bad right now. If you don't know that, then good for you. But everything else is doing really poorly. So when they see a stock start to rise, I think a lot of people bail or jump into it. And so it had some good volume pushing it up yesterday as well. And so hopefully that'll continue moving forward. As far as the class action lawsuit that's going on, these things happen over and over again. So, hopefully nothing big comes of it, but just keep it on the radar. Myself, I see this company as being a $50 per share stock fairly soon. And so it is going to be a volatile ride with most stocks right now, especially ones that are in kind of this position. So, be cautious with your trades and your investments in it. But make sure that you do your due diligence. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I just wanted to talk about CleanSpark for a minute and give my opinion and my thoughts on what's going on with it and what I see moving forward. So that's pretty much all I got for you today, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Click the link down below if you want 2 free stocks from Webull. If you open an account and deposit $100, I get that 1 stock kickback because you know how we do it. So until next time, have a great day and God bless.